Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Await Learning. We are providing you free online classes for the betterment of your education. So let me know how are you all in this special occasion, in the special occasion of our lockdown period. How do you feel? I know all of you have enjoyed this moment, having so much fun, so many recreation, right? Okay, so before we start our chapter, let me tell you how can you join in our live class. So it's very easy. You just have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aviti Learning and press the bell icon for more updates. So if you have not subscribed yet, then please do subscribe to our channel and press and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay. So let me tell you the rules. Rule number one is only you should have to answer the questions which is asked, and that should be in the comment box. Okay, and don't chat with each other. If you start chatting with each other, you will face the problem. And finally, this is a special request to all of you that don't write down or don't make any note while watching the video. After watching the video, you can make your note. Okay, and this is the permanent video you can find anytime in your YouTube channel. Clear? So, see, this is a beautiful scenery, right? And there is a famous quotation by John Keats that a thing of beauty is joy forever, which means ସୁନ୍ଦରେ ତୃପ୍ତିର ଅବସାଦ ନାହିଁ ଯେତେ ଦେଖୁଥିଲେ ନୂଆ ଦିଶୁଥାଇ. It is written by the famous poet Kavivar Radhanath Rai. So, the scenic view of a beautiful sight pleases our eyes. The hunting melody of a cuckoo soothes our soul. A soulful tone of a singer amuses our heart. The moment we take leave of this sight or sound, they occur to us recurringly in a flashback. We can hardly part with them. The voice and the vision have a long lasting effect on us. They continue to be a perennial memory with us. So, my question is, have you ever experienced such charming beauty and music? I know you must have. So, let's read the poem to note how the music of a Scottish girl exercised an everlasting impact on the mind of the poet. And the topic is The Solitary Reaper, which is written by the famous poet William Wordsworth. He regarded as a worshipper of nature. Love of nature is a major theme of his poetry. Now let's learn about the background of the poet. The poem The Solitary Reaper is written by the poet William Wordsworth. He was born on 7th April 1770 in Cockermouth in the Lake District, England. And he died at Riedel Mountain Gardens, United Kingdom on 23rd April 1850. Now let's learn the poem. But before that, let's meet with some new words from first stanza. Behold means to look at or see somebody or something. Dekhiba. Yon means yonder or that or over there. Means ଏହିପରି ବା ସାଧାରଣତଃ ଇତ୍ୟାଦି. Then solitary means single or alone. Ekutia. Then gently means smoothly or slowly. ଧୀର ସ୍ଥିର ଭାବେ. Then highland means an area of high or mountainous of Scotland. ଉଚ୍ଚଭୂମି. Then lash means a girl. Reaping means cutting and gathering or harvest the crop from a piece of land. ଫସଲ କାଟିବା. Now let's move on to stanza 1. Behold her single in the field, yon solitary highland lash, reaping and singing by herself. Stop here or gently pass. At the beginning of the poem, the poet requests his listener to look at the Scottish girl who is alone in the field. Again, he said that the girl is cutting the grain and singing to herself. So, looking at this, the poet was very much impressed by the song of the solitary reaper and didn't want the song to come to an end for him. Again, the poet addresses to the passerby not to be the reason of any disturbance. He advises them either to stop or pass gently. କବିତାର ପ୍ରାରମ୍ଭରେ କବି ୱାର୍ଡସୱର୍ଥ ଏକ ଏକୁଟିଆ ଝିଅକୁ ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଯିଏକି ଏକା ଏକା ଫସଲ କାଟୁଛି ଏବଂ ମନେ ମନେ ଗୀତ ଗାଉଛି. ତାର ଗୀତକୁ ଶୁଣି କବି ଭାବବିହ୍ୱଳ ହୋଇଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଚାଲିଗଲା ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିଛନ୍ତି କି ବିଶୃଙ୍ଖଳା ସୃଷ୍ଟି କର ନାହିଁ. ଏକୁଟିଆ ଝିଅଟିର ସୁନ୍ଦର ଗୀତ, ସୁନ୍ଦର ସ୍ୱରକୁ ଶୁଣିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ପଦଚାରୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଏହି ସ୍ଥାନରେ ରହିଯାଅ ଓ ଝିଅଟି ଗାଉଥିବା ଗୀତକୁ ଅନୁଭବ କର କିମ୍ବା ଏହି ସ୍ଥାନରୁ ଧୀର ସ୍ଥିର ଭାବେ ପଳାୟନ କର. So students, this is all about the first stanza of the poem Solitary Reaper, and I hope all of you have got it, and we will meet in our next class. Let me tell you, we are providing free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium student during COVID-19 pandemic, and it is an initiative by Aveti Learning. So students, we will meet in our next class with a new concept. Okay, till then keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Aveti Learning. Thank you.